Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can register or enroll into an online banking account of USbank. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. In order to register or enroll into an online banking account of USbank, you'll need to open up your web browser. First of all, you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. So as you open up your web browser, on the search box, you need to type in the link that is www.usbank.com. I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below. So this is a direct link to your sign up page. As you'll click on the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and on this interface you need to click on login in the top right corner of your screen. As you click on login, a pop-up window appears, and this is a login interface. And if you already have an online banking account, then you'll need to provide your account type, username, and a password to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, then you need to click on the link which is right at the bottom, that is create a username and password. As you click on the link, you'll be directed to the enrollment page, and right on this page you can see right on top there is a statement. So make sure to go through the following statement, and right at the bottom you'll need to provide a card or an account number and a social security number. And then a reminder before you try to sign up into an online banking account. First of all, you need to make sure that you already have a bank account. Only then you'll be able to register into an online banking account. First thing, you need to provide a card or an account number, and then you need to provide a social security number. In case if you don't have a social security number, then you can see there is an alternative, so you can just tap on the link and then you need to provide some alternative information. Once you're done providing all of these information, click on continue in the right hand side corner, and then you'll begin with the enrollment process. Next interface, you might be asked to provide your contact information, and make sure to provide the contact information that is associated with your bank account. So you can either provide your email or a phone number. And after you provide your contact information to verify your identity, via your account you'll be receiving an OTP through an SMS or an email which you'll need to enter it, and then you verify your account. After you're done verifying your account, you'll be asked to create an online ID. That includes creating username and a password. And for the confirmation, you'll need to type in twice, and then on the last interface have all the confirmation. So make sure to go through all of these information provided, and if you're sure about it, tap on confirm. And if the provided information is correct, you have successfully registered or enrolled into an online banking account of USbank. And now you'll be able to see your bank details or information of your bank account on your device. So that is how you can register or enroll into online banking account of USbank. That was all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching.